We are almost at the end of our event, which is rather sad, really. I hope it's the same for you, but I've really enjoyed today. But before that happens, Taavi is going to have his speech and so forth. But before that happens, I'd like to tell you a story. I have a friend. He's a brilliant programmer who moved to Tallinn from, you want to guess from where? From Australia. Quite mad in my mind. Like, why would you ever do that? But he did. And he now lives in Tallinn, has a very nice house, very nice home, and is perfectly at home here. And this just goes to show how important it is to go and do what you really love. And it also goes to show how small the world has become, really. It's a tiny, 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 tiny place. Imagine 100 years ago somebody moving from Australia to Estonia. That really didn't happen, and if it did, it was this sort of like life-changing experience for everybody involved that 3 generations talked about later. And this is starting to happen more and more and more and more. There is one example that illustrates this very, very neatly, where a group of engineers from Japan who would think have a substantial amount of talent at their fingertips in Japan are actually collaborating with a team of Estonian engineers to create something that's quite amazing. It turns out that these lights that are on all over the place and prevent me from seeing you could actually be transmitting information.